The publishing process of materials in UOC teaching module format. From the moment an author is commissioned to write teaching materials for a UOC course and submits the originals, until they are made available to the students in the virtual campus classroom, the materials go through a publishing process with the involvement of a number of different people. Once all the content has been written and the images prepared, the author sends it to the professor who commissioned them. The professor checks that the content is in line with the commission given to the author and validates it from an academic point of view. Once validated, the professor sends the final content to the publishers and the material enters the publishing process. The editor estimates the time it will take to produce the material depending on the length and the publishing processes that need to be undertaken. The originals then go through a number of departments: proofreading or translation, preparation of graphic material, layout, revision and proofreading for errors in the publishing process and so on. Once the material has been published, it is sent to the professor, who sends it to the author to check the galley proofs and to make sure that everything is as they instructed and that the publication is correct. After having done the proofing, the author sends the galleys to the professor, who sends them back to the editor. The editor makes any necessary changes and signs off on the material. Finally, the material is published in the virtual campus classroom in all of the current formats: HTML5, PDF, EPUB and DAISY, to make them accessible on mobile devices and for people with impaired vision, and, if necessary, it is sent to the printers to make the copies that are sent to the students who have chosen to receive them by post.